How to add shortcut to file on Android home screen. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Files on your device. In here, click on Documents, which will open all your files. In here, select the file you want to add on your home screen. After you have opened the file, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top right, click on the three dots in here. After you click on three dots at the top right, you'll find all these options. Click on Send File, which is the first option. In here, select Drive. After you have selected Drive, you can add file name. After you're done, press on Upload at the top right. It will be uploaded to your drive. Now, open Google Drive on your device. In here, search for the file you just added. Then click on three dots beside it. In here, click on Make Available Offline. After you click on Make Available Offline, it will be available when you're offline as well. Now, again, click on the three dots. After you click on three dots, scroll down and click on Add to Home Screen. After you click on Add to Home Screen, you can click on Add automatically or simply touch and hold to place it manually. After you've pasted it, you're good to go. This is how to add shortcut to file on Android home screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.